There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. A little bitty baby sing on back.
Hello YouTube, it's me again. Last video before this didn't work because my camera ran out of memory. I'm putting a couple of things away on my messy bench, and I think it's it for now. I got a messy bench because I put my pallet hacksaw, power hacksaw underneath. I have to clean all my camera equipment. I don't think there's shit off here. But I gotta organize my bench because I'm always using stuff. There's always something. I gotta like put all the camera junk in there. And put all the rest of it. Like hammering stuff. I have my fireball tools here. Big effing screwdriver, which actually I kinda like using a screwdriver. And rags. There's my other pair of gloves I've been looking for. That's the ring shit. The only thing I can't figure out is every time I take a drill bit out of the drawer, and I come back like 2 weeks later, I'm like, what the hell size drill is this? I gotta get one of those drill charts. Figure out what size shit is, because I can't remember all this crap. So I got my little buckets of pencils and pens on here. All kinds of junk. My floor looks like a complete utter disaster. The USB charger here. It's a complete mess. So I think for the time being, I'm just gonna throw I'm just gonna chuck the freaking drills back in the drawer, and I'll sort it out later. But like these things, I keep bumping into them, stab myself in the finger. It's fun. I mean, it's funny, but it's not funny. So yeah. But I'm having fun on this YouTube channel. I like recording videos. I'm still working on the Wilton vise. I'm waiting for weather to get nicer, so I'm trying to clean up my garage, move things around, just get it straightened out. Like I got my front of my garage door cleaned up a little bit. There's just tons of shit everywhere. I have my car's loaded with trash. There's a ton of trash in there. I gotta put these somewhere. I gotta find a way to hang these things because I might make a hole because they're kind of like this. So I might be able to put it on a board on the wall and just stick them in the board somehow. Maybe just put them like that. I bought them for the specific purpose of this. Put in my bench and my $1.99 brush for cleaning the bench, but the bucking bar, some other stuff. But yeah, it's not bad. Can't complain. Well, I mean, I shouldn't say I can't complain because you could always complain. We could always find something to complain about. But at least, I recall, you know, I got what I got. So, everybody could always find something to complain about. But, you know what? I really don't have much to complain about. I'm lucky. I got what I got. I'm lucky what I got. I do know one thing, though. These things. Come on, get up there. Make a nice thing. These little wrenches for changing the grinders. I need to buy like 20 more of these things because they're either one's too small, like these two are the same size, but I think my DeWalt and my other ones, my DeWalt and my Makita are different, and it just drives me nuts because I go to my house and I bring one of them and I bring the wrong wrench, which probably tells me I should check before I bring them. But, you know, we don't always do that. We just bring stuff and we forget. So anyway, I'm gonna call it quits. Go to bed. I gotta get up and go to work tomorrow. And hope to go have some fun. Enjoy.